Hello, friends. Dumplings are one of the foods we must have every Chinese New Year. Why? Because they look like these ancient Chinese money called 元宝. And if you eat a lot of them, you're going to be making a lot of money in the New Year's. I'm going to share with you one of my family's favorite recipes. All the ingredients can be bought at your local Chinese grocery.
We'll begin by chopping up our cabbage and then sprinkling it lightly with salt, massaging the salt into the cabbage. Next, we'll chop up our scallions into little rings. Set the scallions aside in a bowl. Squeeze the excess water out of the cabbage and discard the water. Our next step is to grate the ginger. Once you've grated the ginger, set it aside. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 heaping tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of white sesame oil, and 3 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine or rice wine if you want. Sprinkle in 1 pinch of sugar. And then add all of the grated ginger. Lastly, add 2 pinches of white pepper. Now it's time to combine all of our filling ingredients. We're going to start with the ground pork, then the cabbage, then the scallions. Add our sauce and mix everything together. Remember to stir in one direction. You might have to stir for 5 to 6 minutes. Stop stirring when everything sticks together, as you can see in the video.
So now to make the dumpling, we're going to put the dumpling wrapper, 水饺皮, in our hand. Now put some filling in the wrapper. Dab the edges with some water. Now give the edges a little tug before pinching it all together. Voila! Now put the dumplings in boiling water. Give it a stir so the dumplings don't stick to the bottom. Wait until the water boils again and the dumplings float and expand. When you see the dumplings puff up, they're ready to be served. So here we are enjoying our favorite New Year food. Hope you liked the video and try to make these too. Bon appetit!